not quite as cold either, is it, really? Not quite as cold now, is it? Well, no, but I've got the window open, yeah? And there's not much rain either. So, the camera did. Wonder where they ones went that came down out of the sky onto the floor. But there were some lovely burnt holes, especially in the middle of fields. Talk about holes in the middle of fields. We never quite explain crop circles, do we? I reckon a crop circle is caused by someone sticking a goat out in the middle of a field with a long string and a stick, and the goat goes round in circles eating the grass.
And the string is wrapped round the top and that end of that.
Yeah. Or the string is loose on the pole and it just continues to go round at the same distance. Yeah, the storm's gone over, that's why. Yeah, there's no rain here at all. Do what? Yeah, well, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Flash. Ah. Savior of the universe. Flash. Psh. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Yeah. It's definitely getting further away. Oh, ambulance or something? Doesn't sound good. Imagine an ambulance or something gets struck by lightning and it makes the siren go weird. Meow. Or a cat gets struck by lightning. That sounds a bit like a lot of karaoke singers. Ooh, that was a fucker.
Soggy Moggy.
Soggy Moggy. Smells like a wet dog. Imagine what a brilliant story that would be on the news. Stray cat struck by lightning.
Soggy Moggy.
Soggy Moggy. Police found the charred corpse of a cat this morning. And believe it may have been struck by lightning sometime last night.
That one to do.
5 minutes left.
It's over the stump near the stump now. Shut that into. There you go.
The cat was a victim in what was believed to be a freak weather storm. It is believed that the cat was struck by lightning as it was out doing whatever the fuck cats do in the middle of the night.
Stray.
Do what?
Stray.
Stray. Probably shagging. Imagine getting hit by lightning while you're on the job. One way to make it come quicker. Of course you'd be dead. Of course then you'll know what praying mantises feel like when the females bite their heads off. Is it praying mantises? Yeah, isn't it? Lazy. You was doing that about half an hour ago. Lazy. Yeah, so what can I tell you all then? Not that much. Got a couple of video ideas. I mean, these Thunderstorm ones were just, just sort of spur of the moment. Just suddenly decided to record them. That one sounded nice. Same with the Thunderstorm ones the other night. I mean, obviously this isn't the same Thunderstorm. Then again, you never know, do you? Well, that was nice. I wonder how many people are going to blame these storms on global warming. And we blame that tsunami and that tidal wave and stuff on global warming. But actually waves and shit are basically dominated by the moon. So, yeah. It was the moon's fault we had a tidal wave. Let's fire a missile at it. A few ambulances or whatever dotting about. I wonder if anyone's injured. Pentagram, 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 pentagram. Anyway. Spider pig. Ooh, that one was nice, wasn't it? Spider pig. Yes, well, anyway, what can I say? Yeah. So we've got a few video ideas. Got some more like gameplay videos I'm going to be recording. I know I keep saying that, but I'll eventually get around to doing it. Good to see Shadows Elite back on YouTube now, with his uploading. He uploaded an update video. He's got a new camera, a new haircut. It's the only two new things I can notice so far. But yeah, stay tuned to my videos. And be sure to check him out. And Cuball CC7. I've noticed a lot of people are complaining that Shadows Elite and Cube Wars EC7 aren't doing their Command & Conquer Red Alert 3 walkthrough. The truth is they just haven't got the time. There's an awful lot of planning for two people that live miles away from each other to record a game together. It's very hard to do. You've both got like time at the same time and stuff like that, you know. It's a lot of planning. Hopefully we'll see a return of that in the foreseeable future. See you in the next part.